My people, what's good with you? Your boy GizzyCredit here, coming through with some more credit repair results. Anyways, mi gente, on this video, more repossessions being removed from the credit report, bankruptcy removal, and of course, student loans, and of course, your favorite collections have been removed in the first 30 days. Again, I do these videos just to keep accountability to you, let you know how we're giving people results. And if you want to start, definitely check us out. Anyways, mi gente, let's go with the video.
Hashtag GizzyCredit. GizzyCredit. Anything you want, then you can get it. Don't get scammed, cause then you'll regret it. Hollywood legend. No longer gotta look pathetic. GizzyCredit.
So my people, right here, you could check out our latest credit repair results video right here. Customer from Houston, Texas, got credit repair results, bankruptcy removals. Of course, we remove bankruptcies all the time. And of course, you could definitely like and subscribe to this channel right over here, as you can see. Thank you so much. For those of you who log on, disclaimer, understand that you may be my customer and we may have not given you the desired credit repair results that you may want. It doesn't matter. We commit to you until everything is removed from your credit report. So always understand that this is a process. Not all credit report files are the same. It's always a process for everyone. But as you can see, people always get results. It may not be the result that you may want, but hey, we give you results. So my people, before I start, if you're looking for a credit repair quote, just look right down here, my email address, or text message me your email address to that phone number, or email me, which is the best way to contact us. Anyways, let's get with the videos. Here's the first credit repair results for Equifax for this customer out of Scottsdale, Arizona. As you could see, we were able to remove a bunch of his collections account, Capital One, Santander, Bank, Capital One, America First Credit Union, America First. We only have 2 more accounts left to remove on this credit file, and his Equifax will be fully done. Now we're going to take a look at this customer from Lithonia, Georgia. As you can see right over here, we were able to remove her bankruptcy public record in the first 30 days. You see, everything is done for her in the first 30 days. This item has been deleted, and then she had other Department of Education has been deleted, Capital One and another Department of Education. This bureau is now done. Now we worry on results to come back for TransUnion and Experian. But as you can see, one bureau done always shows great credit repair results for the customer and knows that, hey, one bureau done, let's keep going. More credit repair results for this customer out of California. Shout out to all the Cali people who constantly keep me busy. As we can see right over here, we have Opportune Progressive Financial has been deleted. And she has A&L Financial Corp has also been deleted. Got a couple of more negative accounts to remove from Experian. But this is her Experian results with 2 removals, which is always good results. Now we're going to take a look at this customer who is from Weehawken, New Jersey. He actually came, we used to work out together at the CrossFit gym. And of course, he knew what I did. He called me, said, I have one collection account that needs to be removed. And as you could see right over here, this item has been deleted from the credit file. Equifax is done. No problem. Waiting on TransUnion and Experian to get rid of it so he could go and be a real estate investor or get financing. Let's go. Now we're going to take a look at this customer out of Florida, Orlando area. As you can see, she has a bankruptcy, but the bankruptcy was verified, but totally fine. Only first round credit repair results. As you can see right over here, Nelnet loan has been deleted. Another Nelnet loan has been deleted. Of course, she also had another account that was disputed who was verified. Totally fine. We scroll down some more. Go to the next page. Right over here, and we see that another Mid America has been deleted. Nelnet loan has been deleted. And another Nelnet loan has also been deleted from her credit file. This customer has been following me for years. I just want to say something for the people who've been following me for years. You've been calling me since 2015, 2014. You start the process. It's best if you stay in the process because we only have the best intentions for you. And of course, you see from all the videos that this is a process. Just be patient because we will give you results. Now, this customer came from Vacaville, California. I don't know where that's at, but I don't know. Anyways, came to me with 2 negatives. A lot of you come with 1 negative, 8 negatives, 20 negatives. It doesn't matter. We dispute until everything is removed. But in the first round, this customer got everything removed. The 2 collections that he had have been deleted right over here. And another account has been deleted, Diversified and Waypoint. So yeah, great results in the first round for this customer. So now we're going to take a look at this customer from Pembroke Pines, Florida. As you can see, we're able to remove his student loans, American Education Services. 2 student loans were removed in the first 30 days. But now we're going to look at the credit repair results for, I believe, Equifax. Let's check it out. Okay, and these are the credit repair results for his Equifax. Of course, you know, we dispute inaccurate information from the credit report. Item has been deleted. The repossession that he had from Equifax has been deleted right over here. As you can see, item has been deleted. GM Financial. He had other accounts been deleted. Let's see, other accounts. AS American Education Services, student loan have been deleted. U.S. Department of Education has been deleted. Another U.S. Department of Education. Another U.S. Department of Education. U.S. Department of Education. Another collection. Another American student loan and another student loan have been deleted from the credit file. So basically, we're done with his Equifax. So that's great news for him. Now I got this customer out of Maryland, Baltimore, Maryland. Came to me with another bankruptcy. A whole bunch of you watch the videos and see bankruptcy removal. And as you can see, we have a playlist of videos for removing bankruptcy, student loans, child support, all this stuff. It can be removed. It's just a process to remove. But thank you so much for trusting in us. As you can see, bankruptcy right over here. Disputed ID has been deleted from the credit file. Baltimore. We were able to remove 8 total negatives that were included in the bankruptcy. In this, as you can see, collection agencies, all these accounts were deleted from his credit report. Chase, we only have 2 accounts left that were verified, but still great results in the first 30 days for this customer who came to us from Maryland. Thank you so much for the people in the DMV area who refer us. Always appreciate you guys. Also, my people, don't forget we had a podcast on how to prepare for the new administration, whether it's going to be Orange Man Bad or Sleepy Joe, it doesn't matter. We had a podcast on how to prepare yourself, how to look from who's president and forward in the first 3 months, 6 months, what's going to happen, if there's still opportunity for you in real estate, in a vehicle, whatever it is you're trying to do with your credit, lockdowns and all that stuff. Anyways, we had a little podcast on that. Make sure you check it out. Special guest John, as you can see, all the time. He knows what he's talking about. That's why I have him on. And as you can see, check out some more credit repair results, especially child support. I'm getting hit up with a lot of people who have only 1 child support. Everything is set up for you to buy a house. But that child support, man, stopping you. Anyways, it can be removed from your credit report that when they rerun your credit, it's not going to be there. Just because it's off your credit report, it doesn't mean you still don't owe it, but at least you're now able to access new credit. Don't forget, mi gente, it's all a process. Disclaimer to you, it's a process, all right? Make sure you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any more of these credit repair results videos, and always look out on the community tab to see what's going on with this channel. Anyways, mi gente, thank you so much. Bendiciones to you all.
GizzyCredit. Anything you want, then you can get it. Don't get scammed, cause then you'll regret it. You no longer gotta look pathetic. Look pathetic. GizzyCredit. change your plans.